Hi, this is Jeff at Doggett Honda Med Center in Houston. I'm going to take you around the store and show you why people come to us. Come on. This is our beautiful showroom. As you notice, we have a car for everyone. Honda, of course, is known to be reliable. This is a beautiful Type R. Over here we have the Honda Prelude, we have the HRV, the CRV, we have a little bit of everything. This is our service center. Obviously, we provide great service to everyone. Easily to pull up your car, advisors waiting to take care of you. And this is our delivery area. Somebody's about to get a new gift. This is our used car showroom. We have certified Hondas. We also have used cars. They're so nice, you probably wouldn't know that they're used. If you're looking for a car, need your car serviced, or need parts, we're here for you at Doggett Honda Med Center in Houston.